kept video, kept time video. Okay guys, this is new to me. This is for like a new era. I've done a lot of different things in my little short life, but I wanted to try electronics, so I ordered these little breadboards. Ordered these and then these small ones here. But now this one came as a kit, and I'll show you a video in a minute what all comes with it and where I got it and all that. But this is part of the kit too. It comes with this power module, power supply module, which is real helpful because I'm going to come in here with 9 volts onto the motherboard. I mean the breadboard. Far from a motherboard, just a breadboard. But anyhow, it's got pins here. If you move these pins to the right or to the left, it's going to give you either 3 volts or 5 volts. So that helps out a lot, to where I don't have to start trying to find enough resistors and stuff, and to try to come up with, to break the 9 volts down to 3 volt. Okay. I've got another project that I'm wanting to put together. It's going to be called, I think, a synthesizer, where it makes sound and stuff. I'm not creating it. I got it from somewhere else, the schematic and everything. But I figured, you know, I need to try out this little breadboard. Like I said, this is day 1. So let's go ahead and put this little power module thing here on there, and yeah, get it powered up. I had it on here earlier. I'm gonna see if I can get it back in the same little spots. Okay. I guess just man up to it. Okay, it's on there. Alright, and here's our supply. It's a 9 volt battery. It still should be charged up. Just plug it in there. Now, the other project I'm going to do, the way it's set up, I have to cut the wires and just run the wires in here. I'm not going to be using this power supply module. But I do have this side here. I do have this side here set up for 3 volts. This is set up for 5 volts. And I got a little tester here that I kind of made. It's small, it stays out of the way. I can hold it in my hand. I got the ground here set up. I took a paper clip and folded it to fit down in here, because this is, you know, just alligator clip. But I use this mainly for checking fuses and stuff on a vehicle when I've got to run down a problem wire that's not working, and I go to the fuse box or wherever, and this is just real fast and simple. Alright, it's got a button here. I'm going to push the button. It's got a little power light showing there, which is really good. And I've got to get something where I can get under it and see. I don't know how this is going to work. Let me see if I can get you closer where I can get closer. Oh yeah, it's looking pretty good there. Alright, now I've got to get in there. I don't know if this is... I guess that's doable. Alright. Let's see if we can check it and make sure that's what we got is 3 volts over here. I gotta trade sides. Well, maybe I need to turn it this way. Well, I can't do that either. The probes are, I'm right-handed, and the way this reads is designed for my right hand, but they've got them opposite here. They got the positive on the inside. Yep, look at there. Had it. Yeah, we got 3.26 volts right there. Okay, now the LED is going to require 3 volts, and we're just a little higher than that, so I want to use a resistor here and just kind of drop it down just a little bit. And this is a 400 here, 400 ohm. So So, okay, the LED needs to come off of, well, I need to get the resistor on there first, on the power side. Hope all this is still picking up. I guess it is. But, yep, this is the power side. And it can go either direction. Okay, and like I said, this is a new beginning for me. I've done a lot of different things in life, but I always wanted to try electronics, and now we're doing it. Now the long leg is the positive. So we're going to come off of here next to that one and push it in. Because you already know they run this away. They all run this away down here. These, you know, run long ways. These run sideways. Okay. And we're going to make a new spot here for a ground. And I found this little piece of wire here. I made this little jumper. I think this is a twist tie thing, like going around a bread wrapper or something. Oh, I need to turn this off. I'm going to turn the power off. Now I'm going to run from the negative side over here, plug in, and I'm going to come over here and catch this leg right next to it. I'm going to check it one more time, make sure I'm not screwing up. Yep, this is the power side, the plus side. It's going to go here near the 400 resistor ohms. I mean, resistor. 400 ohms resistor. Okay, here it is. I'm turning out lights just to see. Ah, look at there. First thing I ever created. Well, it's not really the first thing I ever created. But on a breadboard it is. On a breadboard it is. But like I said, I got some other projects in mind that I'm going to be doing. And I've got lots of material to work with. See, I got all this stuff here to work with. Some of this is I've used for other stuff. I've just never worked with a breadboard. These are all my resistors here. And these are capacitors and different things here. There's some jumpers that come with the kit. There's a lot of LED lights and stuff here. And yeah, I'm quite excited about this. This is a brand new beginning. And this is 5 volt on this side. So I guess we'll go ahead and check it too while we're at it. All right, show you. Yeah, see, it's the opposite of what I've got here. Yep, there it is, 4.97. Yep. But yeah, this doesn't take up much space. I really like it. That's it, guys. I'll show you the video of the kit and everything, and where I got it, and we'll go from there. Okay, this is the package that I ordered right here, Plan A. See, they got several of them here. They got a Plan A, they had a Plan E, and then they had a Plan G. They were all there when I ordered this one. But I went with Plan A. This is a 830 point breadboard here. And then you get all these jumpers and stuff. All this stuff here you get with it. The magnifying glass. There we go. It's a good bit of stuff for what was it? $12.50. Yeah. There's capacitors. There's 10. All these are, the capacitors are all 50 volt. You got 10s. And I don't remember what the other one was. Oh, 100s. It's right there written on it. Yeah, it's a good bit of stuff to work with. to learn, you know, just for starting out. Okay. Let's go down here and look at the list. Let me get rid of this magnifying glass. But it's a good starter kit if you're wanting to start off learning about electronics and stuff. And then you can find plenty of breadboard projects to look at on YouTube. Where I found the other one that I'm going to build, and I'll probably video it as well. And it's called a synthesizer. Can't even hardly pronounce it. And you can make sounds and stuff with it, you know, with your hands and different things. It's pretty neat. But it's a little more in detail than just firing up a LED light. Alright, here it is. This is package A. This is the one that I ordered. This is everything that comes with it here. Right there. And I just had to order some stuff for my kit. This is the stuff. Let me back up here. Where are they at? Yeah, I had to order that for the synthesizer. Maybe one of these days I'll learn how to say it. I ordered all these capacitors here. It's 50 of them. I mean 500 of them for $15. You know, 15 and a half. I ordered those tweezers. I ordered these photo sensors for, yeah. See, here's some resistors. I had to order several different kinds of resistors. It's going to take several different kinds of resistors. Here's some other capacitors here. There's some more capacitors I ordered that none of this has got here yet. Here's some more capacitors, resistors I ordered. Some more resistors I ordered. These are all different. These are 1000 ohm. And don't remember what these are. Yeah, right here. 2200 ohm. Okay. And these here, let's see, 10 of them. Yeah, 330 ohm. Okay. And then I'm going to be also working with a 555 timer. This is all new to me. I'm excited. I've watched a lot of good videos. I'm ready. But where we at? Yeah. Yeah, these are the little kits here. But yeah, I'm really excited. This is like day one. And kind of experimenting with it and just work my way through it. That's it, guys. Y'all go put you something together, or talk at you later. Bye. Alright guys, tell them where you seen it at. If you like it, like it. And if you want to stay in touch, subscribe. We'll stay in touch. I'll even go check out your channel. Talk to you later. Bye.